Hello, good morning. So we woke up early around 5 a.m. to start our day here in Hong Kong. Actually, we were looking for toothpaste and sabon kasi walang sabon at saka toothpaste. Na yung nadala lang namin yung shampoo at saka conditioner. So lumabas kami, pero ang mamahal. Buti na lang, meron pala dito sa Chongqing Mansion, doon sa looban, may nagbebenta na happy ako kasi nakakita ko ng familiar products like Colgate, Pilo, and the such. And then, mas mura. So, gladly open sila ng maaga. Kasi, para makapag-prepare din kami ng maaga. So, today, our itinerary would be Peak Tram. And then, go with the flow kung saan after that. Mag-sky race din kami. And here's my fit. Mag-room tour pala ako, but susunod na kasi, kita na ka. Kasi makalat pa. So, yan. And then, I think I'll wear a necklace. Good morning! We're out and about and nagpa-exchange lang kami ng peso to Hong Kong dollar. So we're off to Peak Tram for today and then let's see kung saan tayo papadpad ng kapalaran. Here's my OOTD for today. Medyo hindi pa maaraw. Medyo gloomy today. Sana hindi umulan. Welcome to Hong Kong. This is Davi's outfit. This is my outfit. And by the way, IC, if you're watching, I'm using your bag. This is IC's gift. Thank you, IC. It matched my outfit. We're going to take MTR. Hala, withdraw. Mag-tap ta. Kasi withdraw. Sa octopus. Kasi naala dito na. I-load. Hindi lang may plate dito. Ooh, aircon. Ito MTR.
使用自动行人道隔乘客，请留意行人道中指，小心高低不平。
Film kaya nila na crystal.
Alam mo nung
Alam mo ba? HSB, no? Kaya ka na.
Ako na ba sana nag-charge mo dito?
Sa HSB? Ito mo ba kailan sa ganun?
J, si J.
Asa ka magpapuan? Mudan ka dito.
here at the station, nakapatap up kami ng octopus card. I think minimum nila is 200. So, nag-top up kami. So, na additional. Of course. Tara. So, guys, yan ito may kuan. Basically, ito from Chongqing Mansion,
Chimchachoy Station.
Chimchachoy Station, and then we look for
J2X.
and then now we're looking for L2 at Hong Kong Museum of Art. Sa mo L2 din dami.
J, lagi ano? Dito mo sa'yo.
Oh, J na dahil. J2. Okay.
J.
Heritage.
Right.
direction ko sa tingin ko. Kanan. Yan, ako ba ito? Jane. Victoria Dasari. Picture mo lang. Picture mo. Asa mo ba?
Guys, parang naliligaw ata kami. Nasa exit. Ay, bumit ako exit. Ito tabalik. Walking pa dong. Padong station? Dili din yung station?
I-google lang ko.
Sige, Google.
Mabito na yung ikuan, nataas ng kuan, kung nag-MTR. Basta buti, kanang MTR, kanang wagi lang kuan niya.
Oh.
Backlight.
Sumusakay ta dire. Sumagbas ta. Kami ba kung mag-train ta?
Libog ang ito. Back to walking ito rin, kung mag-MTR.
Nawala mi. Naabot mis gawas. So, balik mi sulod and then try to see if makakita mi sa kuan. So, dapat Central Station na to sakyan. Guys, finally nahanap na namin. Naligaw pa kami. Nandito lang pala. Kasi tap. And then, here. Off to Central Station.
Advance na kayo ito sa J2.
Naligaw pa kami. Here's the train! Platform 2 Tadabi.
早晨，請先讓車上嘅乘客落車，然後上車，多謝合作。
Ano, what's the relative?
請小心空隙，多謝合作。乘客請盡量行入車廂中間，多謝合作。上到車嘅乘客唔該行埋車廂中間，多謝合作。
Ay, dami. Finally, we made it. So, from
Mom ni ba?
Central Station. On ko muna yung mic.
Ito na pa sa China.
Alright. So, nakalabas na kami ng Central Station, ano? And then, exit J2. Now, walking to the peak tram. Medyo gloomy pa rin ang panahon, guys. But still, it's a nice day. Lakad. Lakad to the max now. Let's go. Ikaw na dami. Yeah, picture natin ka. Hello, so we're here at the entrance of Peak Tram, entrance of the building. Basta nasa peak tram na kami and finally we made it. Ooh. So we're going here. Oh my god, I see the tram already. Ano siya tao ngayon? It's wala masyadong tao. This is the tram, guys, going up. Sa right talaga yun? We're going up. Umalis agad yung peak tram. Few minutes before kaming dumating. Hindi masyadong maraming tao as you can see. And pag pala nag-peak tram kayo, choose the right side kasi nandito sa right side yung view. Wala pang masyadong view kasi hindi pa naman kami nasa taas. But right now, hi! The other tram. Gosh. Ano siya? Slanting. Slanting. Napaslanting namin. So, ganun siya. Hello! Let's enjoy the ride. Welcome! Hello! Welcome to Peak Tower. Hello guys, so we are here at the Peak Tower. Gloomy pa rin ang panahon, but sana it won't rain. And wala pa masyadong tao. Hindi pa open yung Avenue, was it Avenue? Basta 428 Sky Avenue. Hindi na alam ng mga 10 a.m. pa, 9:30 pa kasi. So, maaga pala kami. So, okay pala yung naligaw kami kasi, wala pang time. But, ang ganda ng view dito, guys. Look at that. That's the overlooking view. So, dyan kami mamaya. But right now, I'm thirsty. 9:48 na? Tara. Sky Terrace 428. Sky Terrace pala, hindi Avenue. Sana mo hangin, di ba? I hope naririnig niyo ako because it's very windy. Ang hangin.
Mahangin.
Ba't ang ganda ng view? Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. This is the view. At ang hangin talaga, guys. Ito na videoan din.
Hey.
Daan na kami sa Peak Tram at saka sa Sky Terrace for 2-8. Now we're heading to Hopewell Center. Yung may elevator na glass. Let's go! Hello guys! Naligaw na naman kami. Punta kaming One Chai but akala namin doon directly. So dapat pala bumaba kami nung malapit na kasi nasa kabilang side now. We're looking for a bus 2A and then balik agad sa One Chai. Kung mag-train talaga. Asa may 2A yan eh. Sakay ulit ng bus.
Sushi Express eh.
Kalasan na mo o Clitty. Kaya nalapas ni guys, nasaag na sa mi Harbor Center. Nasaag mi. Asa naman din yung Hopewell Center? Or mga talaga nakata niya. Asa ba nang agano nun? Mo ba ni? Familiar ni? So, asa ito mo? Yan.
Wala.
This is what I wanted. Oh my God.
Lisod kog dum. Guys, success ang observation lift namin. Finally found it after how many hours? Hours talaga, nabutag hours of walking. Kasi dalawang beses na kami naligaw, dalawang beses na kami nag-bus, hindi namin makita. So nilakad na lang namin. Mga ilang kilometer yung nalakad natin dami. Almost 1.5.
Almost 1.5. Now, we deserve to eat. Wala pa kaming kain. Wala pa kaming breakfast. Ngayon, magla-lunch na or tapos na ata mag-lunch. And malapit na mag-dinner. So, kain na kami. But, ang ganda ng elevator na yon. It's a glass.
Dito, no?
Dito sa, balik ka din.
24 hours.
Kasi yan eh. 24 hours?
Oh.
Sure.
Oh. dire asa direta? Direta? Wala mura kay tao. Tanawa. Yun, it's a glass elevator at saka ang ganda ng view. Yung ganyan na lang. Now, baka dito kami sa Yakiniku kumain or I don't know. Let's look for a place to eat. See ya. Hello, finally we are able to eat. We don't know what we ordered, but I hope we like it. This is our first meal of the day. Tipid na tipid kami sa food. Kasi mahal, char. Oh, mali Dobby. I think fish. Kanang eel? Kami kumuha ng batong. Where's the chives? Punta ka na. Okay lang. Guys, share pala kami. Malaki ng serving. Order sana kami ng iba. But ang dami nilang mag-serve. This is 68 Hong Kong dollars. And then it comes with Coke. Let's eat. Okay, hala ka? Kanin kay tofu. Kuya, wag na nito. Hello! Tapos na kami kumain and we're off to Hong Kong Cultural Center. And sasakay daw kami ng train. So let's go! Lusog-lusog na. Yung food is okay lang. It was 68 pesos. Ay, 68 pesos. $68. And, asam to dami? Asa man? Where? So, guys, samahan niyo naman kami para maligaw ulit. We're figuring out kung ano yung sasakyan namin. He wanted to ride the train. Sakto ba ang English? Huwag ako mga English. Yung gamay na lang kung ito na. But wala may kabukas ang train naman. So, perks on country. But that's okay. We're having fun. Are we having fun? Fun. Big house namin. Saan hindi napalit? Big house ba ka ng color blue? Saan nalabihan na to? Halaog na eh. Ay, palit ta? Chat time. Hirami na yan. Kana kung tinga wala sa ato? Seryo? Imong kuhan? Picture ka? Picture ka? But may 5 guys there eh. Pasa to siya kapalit og big house. $95 guys, burger and fries. 130. So pila mo na? 130. Oh, try ta na. 5 guys. 5 guys. Asa naman ta? Nag-exit na top. Is it? Itap ka pa. Uy, shucks. So, nakasakay na kami ditong bus na double-decker na open. Then, I'm not sure if which station kami bababa. Admiralty ba or doon na sa Kennedy Town. But, ang cool nito, na bus.
Ridiculous. I'm sorry.
Guys, finally we found it. And, madali lang namin nahanap. Hong Kong Museum and Art pala siya. So, buta-bukta. Diyan, marami na papa-pictorial dyan. So, dyan tayo punta. Hello guys, so we're here at Hong Kong Cultural Center. Hello, dito ligsik dami. Ito yung famous na paslant na poste. Pwede kang mag-pictorial. But it's drizzling. Yun. Pictorial galore. Dito tayo. This is the famous... Ooh! Bas, yun ganda naman niya gabi eh. Hello guys! So nandito na kami ngayon sa Avenue of Stars. Ang daming kapo. Look. Ano pala to dito? So overviewing mga view ng sea at mga buildings na magaganda at saka ang daming nagpipictorial dito. There's a lot of people. Everyone. Hello babe.
Hello.
So ito na yon yung Avenue of Stars. I think maganda to paggabi kasi yung mga ilaw ng mga buildings. So di na tayo to dito. Guys, pakaway sa may kikikapoy na may baklay. Saksak sinako na rin akong vlogs pa mag-English, Tagalog, Bisaya. So kamo na lang sa but ingani, pakaway meron na. So ingani mong view. Diba? The best kaayo ang view nila. Kaya dapat sila building, mga different kuan style. And then, hello guys, we slept and we're off to dinner. 9 p.m. na. And then we're going to Ichira to eat. Let's go. Alive and kicking pa rin kahit 9 p.m. na. Wait, asa ta? Cross? We're crossing now. Gamay? Balik ta? Okay. Tupikas? Oo. Nasa duro ay mga kuan. Local specialties. malapit lang pala sa amin. So, nilakad lang. Sa entrance na lang. Asa man eh? Oh, this is it! Ichiro! For now, sa Hong Kong na muna. Akala ko matatay ko sa Japan. But, let's go. Ano ba? Step one. We were given this. It's so ugly. Nakikita ko lang ito sa video. Sarap ito. Hello. Nanami diri sa may table sulod sa Ichiran, and then nagka-problema pa kay pagbayad na mo nag-error, and then pag-check na mo sa bank account kaya na-deduct siya. But hopefully ma-refund na to kay wala man may ka-receive og email, so nag-order na lang mo outro because we thought dili mi pwede mag-pay og cash cards ra, so pwede naman di ay, so mo to may panakaibaw may og pwede na di cash kay mo na lang ito gibuhat. So far na ang kaninga order. We're just waiting for our noodles. Gutom na kayo. Yes, our order is here. Tada! Ichiran ramen. Ordered rice, and this one, and this one, and this one. Davi is the strong one. Mine is just the medium one. Let's eat. Let's try their ramen now. Yummy, lovely. Like in it. Oh my god. Let me. Wait. Video ko nga magkuhan ko sa noodles ba? Amazing. Oh my god. Wait. Ikaw. May tissue.